You may have heard in the news, and not for the first time, that Binance will be suspending GBP deposits and withdrawals from their site until they can find a new partner. So what are your options moving forward? Well, in this video we've got you covered, as we're going to be discussing the options available to you now and potentially in the future. For more information on how to withdraw GBP from Binance, please check out everybethelps.io. So first of all, let's discuss the problem. Well, to keep it short and sweet, PaySafe, which facilitated GBP transfers for the Binance crypto exchange, will no longer support the currency. While new users have already lost access to deposits and withdrawal services, existing users will face the suspension by May 22, 2023, unless an alternative provider is found. But with 2 months until the current provider stops their partnership with Binance, they state this is just a precaution at this time, as they hope to find a new provider in place before then. It's also worth mentioning that apparently Skrill, who are now PaySafe, also mentioned in their terms that users will have 7 years to withdraw the funds. So although it is 2 or 3 months away, users won't be losing their money for a long time yet either. So if, like me, you're from the UK and you want to spend your British pounds on cryptocurrency and cash out later, what are the alternatives? Well, if you want to stick with Binance, you've got a couple of options. First, you could use the P2P exchange to buy and sell crypto in exchange for Great British pounds. The next option is to withdraw your crypto from Binance and find an alternative exchange like Coinbase, and then you can cash out to your bank account from there. Or if you have a Monzo or Revolut account, you might be able to exchange your GBP in-app and then deposit with SEPA using your Euro account. So let's jump in and take a look how we can use these different options. First of all, we're going to take a look at Binance P2P. With Binance P2P, which is also known as peer-to-peer, users can buy or sell crypto directly with each other on the Binance exchange. And they offer more than 150 payment options, one of which being GBP bank cards and transfers. And what's more, there's no trading fees. Binance peer-to-peer is more sophisticated than a lot of other P2P exchanges, and a lot of the advertisers are merchant providers, so they're more of a business rather than just random people. I've got a full tutorial on how to use Binance P2P, but I'm going to show you now how to buy or sell crypto now with GBP. To reach Binance P2P, log into Binance. Then head across to Buy Crypto at the top of the screen. Then P2P Trading. To start using Binance P2P, you will need to ensure that you've passed identity verification. Then choose to either buy or sell. From the tabs, select the crypto that you want to trade. Then from the drop-down filters, you can choose your currency, which in this case will be GBP, and how you'd like to pay. So for this example, I'm going to say that I want to buy USDT with a payment method of a Monzo account. But as you can see, there is a whole host of different payment methods available, which include the likes of bank transfer and faster payments. And a list of ads will then appear, showing the advertiser's details, displaying their name and completion rates, their price showing the lowest first, as we're currently buying, and then some limits and payment methods. And all of these will obviously contain Monzo at the moment, as that's how I filtered my results. And you'll then need to find a seller willing to sell within your range too, in terms of the amount. To go ahead, you enter in the amount, and it will show you how much of that crypto that you'll receive. Then click on the green Buy button, and you'll see that I've successfully placed an order. And I now need to transfer the payment to the seller using the instructions shown on screen. So I'm going to need to leave Binance, head to my banking app and transfer the funds. In the meantime, Binance will keep the crypto in custody. Then once you've transferred the funds, you'll just need to confirm and notify the seller, and upload a proof of payment. Once received, the seller will then confirm, and the USDT will then be sent to your funding wallet. And the exact same thing applies to selling, and you can simply sell your crypto on P2P and get the money paid directly into your bank account. So that was a way that you can obviously buy crypto and fund your account using GBP and also withdraw that back to a bank account. If you'd rather use an alternative exchange to cash out from your crypto, Another option would be to make your trades within Binance and take advantage of their low fees. And then when you want to sell and withdraw, you can use an exchange that has GBP withdrawals available. Coinbase would be one such exchange, but there obviously are others. So how can you withdraw your crypto to Coinbase so you can then sell and cash out? Well, first you're going to need a Coinbase account, and if you don't already have one, I'll have a link in the summary that will give you a bonus. Within Binance, you'll then need to head over to your wallet and then fiat and spot. Beside the crypto, choose to withdraw, where you'll then be prompted to enter an address. This is where you'll need to enter your crypto wallet address from Coinbase. In specific, your Bitcoin address, as that's what we've selected to withdraw. So over on Coinbase, choose Send and Receive, then the Receive tab. And under here you can copy your Bitcoin address or scan the QR code. If you've copied, you then paste that into Binance, enter the amount that you want to withdraw and confirm. If we then head across to our Coinbase account, we're now going to see our Bitcoin, which we could then choose to sell for GBP either via their standard buy-sell option here and just be aware of the fees. Or you can use Coinbase Advanced Trade, which looks a lot more similar to Binance, and where you'll find that the fees are a lot lower. Again, I've got a tutorial on this which does go into further detail if you want to follow that. Once your funds are then showing in your British pounds balance, choose to cash out and enter the amount. And you can then withdraw your GBP back to your bank account for free. And as I said, in this way, it doesn't have to be the end of lower trading fees and using your Binance account, as you can just use Coinbase as a bridge between the two different platforms and for funding your account or withdrawing your GBP back to your bank account. And the final way is if you're using a multi-currency bank account, such as the likes of a Monzo or Revolut account, in which case you may be able to convert your GBP to the likes of euros, and then fund your Binance account with euros instead. So as we said, these are just alternatives for the time being, as Binance may step up and find a provider in the meantime. But we're going to keep you up to date with any developments moving forward. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.